Are you interested in owning an online business and generating results like this and like this? Well, I've generated over 7 figures online, and now it's your turn to do the same.
Resistance training burns fat. Not only is resistance training a great source of burning fat while you're exercising, but over the course of time, as you continue to get stronger.
I do believe your circumstances as far as like mental, all this stuff can be affected by diet, nutrition, the way you treat yourself.
3 things you can do to prepare for hurricane season. Number 1, create a disaster plan for you and your family. If you don't have a plan, visit our website. You can download mine for free.
In this video, I'm going to break down the ultimate FTMO risk management strategy. By watching this video, it's going to give you an unfair advantage.
64 years old, I'm a boomer. We grew up sex, drugs, and rock and roll. So it's so disappointing that we evolved to be the Fox News generation.
I was more concentrated on dressing right, getting ahead, building wealth, and never having to work again. Go to boxing, go to Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, learn some MMA. You need to put on some size.
Recession alert. U.S. banks are collapsing. What's next?
Learn how people are making 6K to 10K per month every single month.
How you can protect yourself from greedy insurance companies. Document the condition of your home before and after a hurricane. Take pictures of your house.